Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Gmail account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited Gmail account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I will be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in this first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now, once you open your Play Store over here, just search for Secure VPN. Now, once you search for Secure VPN, you can see there are many, but I recommend this one to you guys. So you can see this particular one has over 100 million plus download. So just go ahead and download this one. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure you update it to the latest version. And once you are done, just go ahead and open your Secure VPN. So just open your Secure VPN, and once you open your Secure VPN, just click on connect. And once you click on connect, you can see connected. So once you are connected to this particular VPN, all you need to do is to go ahead and open your Play Store once again. And this time around, you need to search for Temp Mail. Once you search for Temp Mail, there are many, so you need to make sure you download this particular one. If you're already having it, update it to the latest version over here. So go ahead and download this Temp Mail application. So let's go ahead and open our Temp Mail. So just open your Temp Mail application over here. You can see the email over here. If you don't want this one, you can choose to click on change and change it to a different one. Now, just click on copy and copy this email address. So just click on copy, and you can see copy to clipboard. So if you want to change it, just click on change, and then you can see are you sure, click on yes, and they will change it over here. So you can see it is being changed. So just click on copy. If this is the one that you want, click on copy, and that's it. So once you are done, all you need to do is to open your Gmail. Now once you open your Gmail over here, all you need to do is to click on your profile at the top right corner. So you can see it is loading. So just wait as it is loading over here and click on your profile at the top right corner. Once you click on add another account, click on Google. And once you click on Google, just wait as it is loading. So just wait for a while. Now it will take you to this place where you can see create account. Click on create account, and once you click on create account, you can see for my personal use and for work or business. Click on for my personal use, and once you click on for my personal use, you can see your first name and last name. So the first name, you can enter any name of your choice. The last name is optional, so you can choose to leave it just like that. and click on next. So once you are done, click on next over here, and you need to select any date of birth of your choice. So you can select any date of birth. So for example, let me select any. So select any. Now select your gender and then click on next. Now once you click on next, you can see it is asking for your email over here. So just paste the one that we copied from temp mail. Now you can see at gmail.com is already here. So let's delete everything including the @ So now you can see once you delete everything including the @ you can see the rest over here. Now click on next. Now once you click on next, it is asking for your strong password. So enter a strong password over here. So let me enter any password of my choice. Then once you are done, then you click on next. Now once you click on next over here, you can see review your account info. So you can use this email address to sign in later. So you can see we are almost done with the account. So here all you need to do is to click on next. And once you click on next, you can see privacy and terms. So you need to make sure you read the policies over here. So all you need to do is to make sure you are connected to the secure VPN. And once you are connected to the secure VPN, just download your temp mail application. And once you download your temp mail, with the temp mail application, you can use any email address of your choice. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more. So just click on I agree, and once you click on I agree, everything is done.